Hey guys, another day at Hanlon's garage. We got the fender off. She had a few bolts holding her on. Some there. A few more over here. Got some more laid over here. So it wasn't too bad to get off. Beautiful day here today. Try not to make you sick. I still got a pile of snow here in the shade. Just will not melt. But had to take grill out, headlight, just to gain access to some of the nuts and bolts. But I'm pretty happy with the results so far. Do a bit of cleanup. This one was trashed. I think it broke a tie rod end or something, and the wheel came back and slapped it. Maybe even an A-arm, but that part's repaired. But it did a little bit of damage to the door. I'll try and straighten it out a little bit, but I'm not going to screw with it too much. Just a quick video. I'll make another one when I get it back on.